Good morning. Okay, 5:30. See on the cameras, there's 2 mamas in the barn with 3 babies. And I think, oh yeah, great. But this one is a bit not licking the baby and all this sort of stuff. So I check her back end. Thumb shot. And there's nothing. So basically, she is a stealer. And this lovely mummy had 3 lovely little babies. That's great. Oh, look at them. Look at them. Oh, I'll get you out in a minute. Yeah, they're up and at it. Okay, that's not your mum. This isn't your mum. Yeah, come on. This isn't your mum. There you go. There you go. Okay, Mom, let's get you out of here. This means you're next. Checked on the babies, got them moved into a jug. All good. Let her settle down with that. It's 6:30. Just thought I'd check out the pasture a little bit. So, spring. What happens? Oh, the grass grows, obviously. So this is native prairie. Okay. This is it. Coming up. It without any hay on it over the winter. And then this is some that has had hay. Let's see, you can see that. It's a greener color, darker green. Higher, taller grass. Now, what's happened is, what usually happens, is that they don't eat it all down and it's thick and everything. And this is an awful lot of manual labor, which doesn't have to happen. You can do this better, but the proof of principle to me is there. You get nice, dark green, taller grass. And I think it's a combination of the snow doesn't melt as fast, slower release of moisture into the grass, and doesn't evaporate, okay? And the nutrients from the alfalfa hay, nitrogen, is put into the soil. And this is an important fertilizer, important element for healthy foliage. So, half hour later, remember, Stealer Mama? This is bad. Oh boy, it's bad. Yeah. Nope. Stealer Mama drops 2 babies, huh? Come on, Mom, lick your baby. I think one is one ram, and the other is the first ram. So that's Casper, and this is Bo. 2 very different lambs. And that ewe is the ewe that was, you couldn't pull her away from Casper when we moved him out and moved Bo in. So as soon as we moved Bo in, yeah, he got busy. Aw. This is sweet. Look at the sweetie pie. And look at her nose. This is the only mom I've noticed who cleans their baby's bottom of colostrum poop. Look and learn, ladies. Yeah. Hi, Mom. Big boy. How's big boy? How's the big boy? Mr. Pufferface? Aw. He's doing okay. He is doing okay. He's all to normal now. Aren't you, sweetie? Probably go outside today.